We used to say we did these spinsters together. That was scary.
So, I got myself some more vermiculite. So we're going to start out with germinating certain seeds. So I usually have this on the other side of the table, which is behind the camera. But I've decided to move everything around here to make everything much more easy for me. So we're going to need these little tops. I'm going to do my herbs and my special grow. So we're gonna need these little tops and the round ones as well. I don't know why I got that many round ones. I need 12 of these, so I'm gonna look for them as I go. Hopefully I still have some.
I think we have found each other. Indeed, you.
It looks like I have about. Dale, are you doing your math? 3.
Yes, on the board, guys.
No, not on the board. I didn't tell you to touch the stuff that's on the board. I want you to do the math in the book, the multiplication, the division.
You are an excellent dancer.
The pleasure was mine, Stella.
How much of the board did you do?
You might excuse me.
Don't touch the board. I never gave you the instructions to touch the board, Dale.
Mr. and Mrs. Mundridge.
Don't erase nothing. Just leave it alone and go have a seat. And do what you're supposed to be doing. He always want to do what the hell he want to do. But not what he's supposed to be doing. So I might need more of these. I'm not sure. We'll see as I go along. But anywho, we're going to need these. Not as many of these, but we're going to need them. And the top drawer is where I keep all of my seeds and whatnot. So let's put out some of these seeds. First and foremost, hold on. I don't want y'all to see that. This is what I don't want you to see. So
I must find some taffia, and your situation is making me a little nervous.
I'm planning on germinating some of these seeds. And if you know what it is, then you know what the hell it is.
How will we expected to understand all these society rules when even someone born into this world cannot grasp?
Trying to make sure you can see real good. But anyways, I'm going to do 6 of them. So I'm going to choose 6 or 7. I'm going to choose 7.
They cannot keep themselves off the floor. And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
you're not supposed to have more than 1 or 2 drinks.
Let's do 8. So I did 8 of those. I'm going to put the rest back into the pack. My little ghetto pack that I got it
You know what
in.
these couples have in common?
I probably need to take it out of this, but until I do, this is where I'm going to have it.
Once you have performed your function
Alright.
and found your match, you are free.
So I usually germinate these seeds. I don't want to say the name of it, so I usually germinate these seeds in like paper and a little baggie, a little plastic bag. That's how I've always done it for the past, I don't know, 15 years. But I'm going to change up the method this time around. So give me a second, because I'm making up my mind fully on how I want to do it as I go. So, okay, I'm about to do it right now. So this video isn't going to be long because I'm going to have to stop and do something with my son real quick. So, yes. Maybe I should stop the video now. Yeah, let me get more of my materials together. And I'm just going to stop the video and start back in a few minutes. I have to fix my son's plate and get him together and everything. And I'm also going to take the time to pull all the ones that I just don't want to deal with no more. And I just want to just let them die. So all the ones on my struggle tower, I'm going to just get rid of them. So this is the struggle tower. The other tower is blooming and doing great. Oh my gosh, I just realized earlier when I made that first video about my grow, I pulled out the pump, so the water is not on in my good grow. But what you hear is the water on in the struggle grow. So What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the ones I don't want in struggle grow anymore, and I'm gonna start germinating other seeds to replace that with. And then I'm gonna come back fully prepared to do. I'm gonna call this my Nini grow because Nisi is the one who gave me these seeds. So my Nini grow, I'm gonna start the process for that. I'm gonna come back fully prepared, and not to mention we're gonna start the grow for our tabletop hydroponics as well. Alrighty. So, oopsie, sorry y'all. So we're gonna get all that done. So peace out. I'll be right back.